I'm here with Ayman Kohli, and you guys know what this is, Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to scramble this and give it to him. He's going to solve this blindfolded. Let's try it. Come on. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay. There we go.
I'll memorize it for some time.
You take your time. You're on camera.
I'm very excited.
By the way, just for your knowledge, he's a Guinness record holder.
Okay, so
An Indian guy.
Oh, yeah.
They're all proud of him. That's shocking. That's shocking. Unbelievable. This is.
Thank you.
Look at this. Well done.
Thank you.
His next challenge is to teach me.